Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to turn on and how to turn on the GPS navigation in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. The easiest way to do it is to simply swipe from the top again, and here we have our little menu. For example, location is here. We simply tap it on, and now our GPS navigation is on. Of course, we can do the same by going to settings, then looking for location options here, and here we have few options. First, location is turned on. We have app permissions, location services, etc. Currently, no apps had requested our location. Now our GPS is turned on. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.